If you want to hold Bitcoin on your phone, you are about to make a decision that matters more than most people realize. Not which app to download, which type of wallet to use, because that choice determines whether you actually own your Bitcoin or whether you just have access to someone else's record of it. This video covers both iPhone and Android, and it covers the right way to do it from the start. I'm Sats, and today we're making Bitcoin on your phone. Actually makes sense. Let's keep it simple. Before we get into the steps, the single most important distinction to understand. There are two types of Bitcoin wallet app: custodial and non-custodial. Bitcoin you hold on an exchange such as Coinbase or Kraken is generally custodial, meaning the platform controls the keys rather than you. If that company goes under, gets hacked, or decides to freeze your account, your ability to access your Bitcoin depends on them. A non-custodial wallet is one where you hold the private keys yourself. The app generates a seed phrase that you write down, and that seed phrase allows you to recover access to your Bitcoin on another compatible device. Your keys are controlled by you rather than by a company. For getting Bitcoin on your phone the right way, this guide covers non-custodial wallets. If you want a custodial option for very small amounts, that is a reasonable starting point. But understanding the non-custodial setup is what this video is for. The wallet I recommend for beginners on both iPhone and Android is Blue Wallet. It is free, open source, non-custodial, and available in both the App Store and Google Play. Everything in this guide uses Blue Wallet, but the principles apply to most non-custodial wallet apps. Step 1. Download Blue Wallet. On iPhone, open the App Store. On Android, open Google Play. Search for Blue Wallet. Download and install the app. Make sure you are downloading from the official listing. The developer is Blue Wallet Services. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Open the app. Tap Add Wallet. Give the wallet a name if you like. Make sure the wallet type is set to Bitcoin. Tap Create. Step 3. Back up your seed phrase. This is the step I want you to slow down for. Blue Wallet will generate a 12-word seed phrase. These 12 words in this exact order are the recovery backup for your wallet. Write them down on paper first, in order, right now. Do not screenshot them. Do not type them into your phone. Do not save them in a Notes app. Once you have written the words down on paper, the next step is to stamp them into a steel plate. Steel seed backup kits are inexpensive and protect your seed phrase from fire, flood, and physical damage that would destroy paper. Paper is a starting point. Steel is the proper long-term backup. Anyone who has these 12 words has complete access to your Bitcoin from any device anywhere in the world. Store the paper somewhere secure. Not in your phone case, not in the same bag as your phone. Somewhere safe and separate. Blue Wallet will ask you to confirm the seed phrase by selecting words in a specific order. Do this carefully. It confirms you have written the words down correctly. Step 4. Receive your first Bitcoin. Tap the wallet you just created. Tap Receive. You will see a Bitcoin address and a QR code. This is your receiving address. To receive Bitcoin, share this address with whoever is sending it to you or use it to withdraw from an exchange. For better privacy, use a fresh receiving address each time the wallet provides one rather than repeatedly sharing the same address. Step 5. Send a test transaction first. Before putting a significant amount in this wallet, send a small amount first. Confirm it arrives. This verifies the whole setup is working correctly before it matters. Step 6. Send Bitcoin. There is one more mistake I do not want you making before you send anything meaningful. Tap Send. Enter the recipient address or scan their QR code. Double-check the address. If you are sending to someone else, confirm the address with them through a separate channel if possible. Enter the amount, review the fee. Tap Next and then confirm. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Check the address before you send. If this is the kind of honest Bitcoin walkthrough you are looking for, the subscribe button is right there. A few things worth knowing about using Bitcoin on your phone. Keep the app updated. Wallet developers release security updates regularly. Running an outdated version of a wallet app is an unnecessary risk. Use a strong device passcode and keep your phone's security features enabled. A non-custodial wallet on an insecure phone is still an insecure setup. Do not keep large amounts on a phone wallet. Your phone can be lost, stolen, or damaged. For larger amounts, a hardware wallet is the appropriate tool. Your seed phrase is everything. If you lose your phone and have your seed phrase written down, you can restore your wallet on a compatible device. If you lose your phone and do not have your seed phrase, your Bitcoin may be permanently inaccessible. Write it down. Store it safely. And there is one question almost everyone has the first time they delete a wallet app. One common question: does Bitcoin stay on your phone? No. Your Bitcoin is on the Bitcoin blockchain. The phone app holds the private key that gives access to it. If you delete the app, the Bitcoin does not disappear. Restore from your seed phrase on a new app or a new device, and your full balance will be there. The app is the window. The blockchain is where the Bitcoin actually lives. If you want to understand exactly what happens when you accidentally delete a wallet app, I have covered that separately. The link is in the description. Let's bring it together. Two types of wallet: custodial, where a company holds your keys; non-custodial, where you do. This guide covers non-custodial. Download Blue Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. Create a new Bitcoin wallet. Write down the 12-word seed phrase on paper, in order, and store it somewhere secure. Receive Bitcoin by sharing your address. Send a test amount first, then use it. And keep the app updated. Keep the amount small. Keep the seed phrase safe and separate from the phone. Your Bitcoin is on the blockchain. The app holds the key. Lose the app, restore from the seed phrase. Lose the seed phrase without a backup, and the Bitcoin may be gone permanently. For a beginner who wants to control their own Bitcoin, a simple non-custodial wallet is a good place to start. Once you have a mobile wallet set up and are holding more Bitcoin than you would be comfortable keeping on a phone, the next step is understanding hardware wallets. The video on how to set up a Ledger wallet covers that complete process. Watch that next. Stack smart, stay curious. See you in the next stack.